Have you ever visited someone's home and felt instantly at peace? Not because it's fancy or filled with expensive things, but because it just feels calm, clean, and welcoming? Maybe you wondered, how do they keep it so neat without spending all day cleaning? Well, here's the truth. A spotless, organized home isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And today, I'm sharing 12 powerful daily habits that older adults with the cleanest homes use every single day. These aren't big, exhausting chores. They're tiny routines, just a few minutes each, but they make all the difference. And stick around for habit number 12, because it's something most people completely overlook, yet it's the reason why some homes feel peaceful while others don't. If you're ready to ditch the mess and create a home that always feels calm and in control, let's begin. Habit number 1, they start their day with one simple win: making the bed. It may seem small, but making your bed each morning sets the tone for the entire day. When you walk into a tidy bedroom later, it feels put together, even if nothing else changed. It takes less than 2 minutes, but it gives you an instant sense of order and accomplishment. Think of it as your first success of the day, and success builds momentum. You don't need hospital corners. Just pull the blanket smooth and fluff a pillow or two. It's not about perfection. It's about intentionality. Habit number 2, they never let clutter linger. Clutter isn't something that appears overnight. It sneaks up item by item. That jacket on the chair, the unopened mail on the counter, the empty glass by the sink. Seniors who keep their homes looking fresh don't wait for a weekly cleanup. They tidy as they go. It's the one-touch rule. If you pick something up, put away right then, not later. This simple habit prevents the mess from ever piling up. Your space stays clean without hours of effort. Habit number 3, they reset their kitchen every night. A clean kitchen is the heart of a clean home. That's why every evening, after dinner or before bed, they do a quick reset. Wipe the counters, rinse the sink, and either run or load the dishwasher. Waking up to a clean kitchen changes everything. You'll feel ready to take on the day. It takes less than 10 minutes, but the impact? Huge. Habit number 4, they do a 5-minute surface sweep. Dust and smudges make a space feel dirty, even if everything is mostly clean. That's why tidy elders take just 5 minutes each day to wipe down high-use surfaces. Counters, coffee tables, bathroom sinks. A quick pass with a cloth keeps grime from building up. It also helps you notice your space more, so messes don't get ignored. Habit number 5, they keep entryways clear. Your front door is the first thing you see when you walk in, and it sets the tone. A cluttered entry can feel chaotic, but a clean one feels calm and intentional. Shoes in a rack, keys in a bowl, bags hung neatly. Keeping this space tidy creates a feeling of order that flows through the whole house. Habit number 6, they let the air in. No matter how clean your home looks, stale air can make it feel stuffy and heavy. That's why wise elders open their windows, even just for a few minutes each day. Fresh air clears out odors, lifts your mood, and helps the whole house feel alive. It's simple, it's free, and it's incredibly effective. Try opening the window while you brew your morning coffee. You'll feel the difference instantly. Habit number 7, they do a quick evening tidy. Just 10 minutes before bed can transform your mornings. Clearing off the coffee table, folding the throw blanket, putting the remote back. These tiny actions reset your space. The result? You wake up to a home that's ready for the day. No mental clutter, no chaos, just peace. Habit number 8, they control paper before it piles up. Mail, flyers, receipts, they multiply fast. And suddenly, your counters disappear under piles of paper. But tidy homes have a system. A recycle bin by the door, a small file for bills, a spot for important documents. When paper has a place, it doesn't become a problem. Make it a habit to sort the mail as soon as it comes in. Don't delay. Don't let it grow. Habit number 9, they keep their cleaning tools handy. If it takes you 5 minutes to find a spray bottle, you're less likely to clean the spill. That's why seniors with clean homes make cleaning easy to do in the moment. They keep a small cloth and cleaner in the kitchen, a brush and wipes in the bathroom. When everything's in reach, quick cleanups become second nature. Habit number 10, they sweep or vacuum just a little each day. You don't need to deep clean your floors daily, but a 2-minute sweep of high-traffic areas, like the kitchen or hallway, keeps dirt from taking over, especially if you have pets or grandkids visiting often. When floors stay clean, the whole house feels better. Habit number 11, they say no to excess. Clutter isn't just about mess. It's often about too much stuff. Seniors with tidy homes are masters at letting go. They donate what they don't use. They don't hold on to duplicates. And they avoid buying what they don't need. The less you have, the easier it is to keep clean. Less stuff equals more peace. Habit number 12, they enjoy their clean home. This is the most overlooked habit, and maybe the most important. What's the point of a clean, calm home if you never pause to appreciate it? Tidy elders sit down with a book, a cup of tea, or soft music, just to enjoy the space they've created. That sense of peace is why they keep it tidy. Because a clean home isn't just about appearance. It's about feeling good where you live. Closing scene, sunlight streaming into a tidy room, peaceful music swells. So, which of these 12 habits will you start today? Will you open your windows each morning? Maybe start with a nightly 10-minute tidy up? Pick one habit, just one. Try for a week and watch how your space and your mood begin to change. And now I'd love to hear from you. Which habit do you already follow? Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, tap the like button and subscribe for more gentle wisdom and practical tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about having a perfect home. It's about creating one that feels good to live in every single day.